Hi everybody, this is how you can use ChatGPT without paying any dollar. When you are in United States mainly, we are going to see the different ways where you can use ChatGPT without paying. So first, there are academic institutions like this Stanford University that you see here, this Stanford University, which provide this ChatGPT for education to students and also to the employees. This is the link I embedded here, and this free version is given when you are there as a member, either as a staff or as a student. You can see that ChatGPT, this OpenAI, has been integrated into the Stanford University, and here there is a big announcement. You can see that it started last month on June, the last day. You can see that the announcement was saying that all students, postdocs, and staff will have access to OpenAI ChatGPT starting that time. So if you are a student there or a staff, you can get access to the ChatGPT Pro or standard premium ChatGPT without paying. So this is Pro and the standards. The only difference, both they function the same 100% in terms of capabilities, features, everything, but it's about the time. How long can you use this and this? This Pro will be used for much longer than these standards, and it can be installed depending on the department in the university, but they work the same. So this AI is very helpful. I hope the students who are studying there or employees who are working there can take advantage of this. So what are the advantages there? You can see you can have access to this ChatGPT standard or Pro and the codex. I mean codex here, this is about to assist with the software engineering task, such as writing code and fixing bugs. You know, you who have been using this coding, whether you are doing JavaScript, whether you are using Python, or you are using the SQL language and others. So you can use this ChatGPT to do all of these things. Also, it can work many things about data analytics with browsings and document summarizations. And also there is advanced capabilities in text interpretations, coding, and mathematics. So this is one. The other one, you can see I tried to put some that I verified and tried on, but there are also a long list. So students who are in the United States, beware about these advantages. A good example is here an opportunity that is coming here. This is University of Colorado. This University of Colorado, you can see for employees, they have also already started using this ChatGPT, but for the students, it is going to be started this year in August. But for employees, you can see that it started this year, but in March. So students who are studying or planning to study in Colorado, they can be aware of these advantages. And also employees who are working there, you can see they have already started taking advantage of this. So we have other universities. There is Universities of California, which also has integrated the OpenAI ChatGPT, and Indiana University also did the same thing, and Clemson University, and many others. So this is the first way, one among the ways to use ChatGPT Premium, which is usually paid much dollars for free 100%. So guys, then let us move to the next one. This is about the companies. There are some business companies in United States when you are an employee, you are a member, you can have the access to the ChatGPT for free without paying any dollar. I listed them here, those which have integrated the ChatGPT and the type of the ChatGPT provided, the access, the type of the access, which you see here, and also the what are kind of industries. So, but here are some considerations. There are some companies which it depends. They don't give the ChatGPT to any employee, but it depends on your task and your responsibilities, things like those. But there are also those which provide the ChatGPT almost to all employees, like the Zipline International. Whether you are in Zipline USA, Zipline Africa, or Zipline Asia, or in Europe where it is working, so they do provide this ChatGPT premium to all employees, and they don't have to pay, and they use it for whatever, being the task related to the job or their own stuff. So guys, beware that these business companies, they are adopting this AI day after day, and these also academic institutions are doing the same thing. So there is another way that we'll talk about, which is to profit, to take advantages on the promo code or the promotion that are given by the Open AI ChatGPT. But keep in mind, it doesn't happen to all people. We will see how we can take advantage of that so that we can explore the proper potential of the ChatGPT without paying any dollar. So you guys, thank you so much for following this. If you find out this video helpful, directing you in the way to minimize the cost while leveraging the benefit of AI, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.